What's up, dentists and doctors? My name is Nadeem Kassam. I'm the founder of Connect the Doc, and I'm making this video to showcase a new feature that we've come out with to help you guys make COVID-19 announcements to your website, because I know that is something that you'll need to do. So the way that the tool works, let me just share my screen with you here. When you get onto your dashboard of Connect the Doc, and if you don't have a dashboard, you'll be able to create a free account. This is not a paid service. It's all free. So you go to connectthedoc.com, log into your dashboard or sign up for an account. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see this new tab here that's called Announcements. And real simple for creating a COVID-19, it's both a banner at the bottom of your website as well as a pop-up. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new announcement. You scroll down here, you'll see kind of how it looks like. So you've got the banner at the bottom, and then you've got the pop-up. You can change all the colors the way that you want to. So let's say we want to have like a red bar, and we want our header text to be red as well. We can choose, let's choose some red for the header text. Don't worry, the text inside the bar is going to change automatically. And the button color, let's leave as blue, for example, right? Now what we can do is we can come up here, write the banner message. So let me just copy and paste some text that I have. So we've got that, paste some the headline in there, have the explainer text, which we'll paste in there as well. The primary link label, what we're going to have for this is like schedule video consultation. If you don't have video consultations, I can help you with that. We've got a couple of partnerships. So you grab kind of like a link, just throw in our link for scheduling that meeting. Let's just have the next call to action is learn more. And again, just kind of take people to, in this case, we'll take them to our website. /join is our sales website, and then add the image. So what we'll do is we'll throw up this COVID-19 image, which is going to make it, more relevant and topical. So once that's done, you've played around with the colors the way that you like it. You click on this create button there, and that now is created. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to make public. So this is the one that's now going to be live on the site, right? So we've just created that. Now to get it on your website, you're going to click on this button here that says show embedded code. You copy the code to your clipboard, and then you go into the back end of your website. So I'm just going to use a landing page that we use. Go into like any type of scripts or place where you can type in the code or paste in the code. Most websites will have either a plugin for this if you're on WordPress, or an area where you can just paste right into the header or the footer. I normally paste it into the footer, as you can see here. So let's paste that into the footer. Let's click on save. It's the same script, so it won't let me do anything. And then I'm going to click on update my page, save. And then the widget is updated. So if we go to page.getconnectthedoc.com, you'll notice we've got the red bar at the bottom. We've got the read more, where you've got the different pop-up on there. You've got the call to action, schedule consultation, learn more. And it's all branded to your website. And then the cool thing about this is, let's say you make a change on this banner. Let's say we want to change this color to a black bar at the bottom, for example. Oh, that was the text. Hold on. Let's make the banner black. So if we make the banner black, the text won't be red. The text automatically changes color based on the color of the banner. So I'm guessing it will probably be white. So we just changed that here. We didn't update any code on the website. And when I refresh this page, you'll notice that the banner is now black. And then the text up here still stays red, which is nice. So if you are interested in this, it's a free service that we're providing to anyone that needs to update their website. You can reach out to me directly. My phone number is 415-287-4999. You can email me. Email is Nadeem, Nadeem @connectthedoc.com. If you have any questions whatsoever about what you should be doing with your practice during the coronavirus crisis, definitely give me a call. We've also put out some new content on our website. So if you go to connectthedoc.com/join, in our resources department, we've got a new blog post that's surprisingly long with a whole list of things that you can do. And then if you look at our bar, I've got a one-on-one free consultation and free consulting with coronavirus related game plan and strategies where you can book something off in my calendar. So I really am trying to do everything that I can to help you guys during this very difficult time. If you need any help with your kind of back to office game plan, announcements on your websites, newsletters, we're building a chat widget, a chat robot right now where you can basically have a virtual receptionist on your website. We're doing a lot of things to help you guys right now during this challenging time. So definitely reach out, get in touch, and hopefully I'll be able to help you guys. And at the very least, you'll have a free account on Connect the Doc and ability to create these banners for your website. So keep me in the loop. Try your best to get this done. I'm happy to help. I'll be here when you need me. And thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Thanks so much.